Hello class. Well, today we're going to start our unit on volume. Okay. Volume is the number of cubes needed to fill a solid. And our units are going to be in cubic units. So remember, area was a flat surface. We were finding out the surface area, how many square units in a surface area. With volume, we're finding out how many cubic units are in a solid or in a three-dimensional figure. So if I have a solid figure here, okay, and I have measurements of 4 yards this way, and it's going to have little cubes in it. You have to remember we're trying to figure out how many little cubes will fit in there. And 9 yards this way, and 6 yards this way. Okay, so the dimensions of our cube are 4 yards wide, 9 yards long, and 6 yards high. And I need to find out how many cubic yards will fill up this whole thing. So our formula for volume equals length, 9, times width, times the height. Okay, so now I'm just going to go and I'm going to substitute in all my numbers. I've written my formula out here. So the volume equals 9 times 4 times 6. So I'm going to rewrite it. Volume equals 9 times 4 is 36 times 6. Volume equals 216 cubic yards okay. Now there's another way of doing this, another formula that we have. So I'm going to draw another three-dimensional figure here. Now, you could be given some situation where they tell you the area of the base. They tell you the area of the base, which is the bottom of my figure here. Okay, that's what the base is. The base is the bottom. They tell you that the base is 26 square meters. Okay? And they tell you that it's 4 meters high. So when they've given you the base, they have already told you the length times the width, right? Because the formula for area is length times width. And we know that length times width in this case is 26 square meters. So I can do my formula like this, where volume equals base times height. Because the base was the length times the width. So my volume equals 26 times 4 which is 104 meters cubed. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little problem to solve. And let's see how you do with this one. I'm going to do my very best to draw a cube. Instead of a rectangular prism, I'm drawing a cube. Now, while I'm drawing this cube, I want you to think about what you know about a cube. Okay? Try and remember what you know about a cube. And one thing I'm going to tell you about this cube is it has a side of 9 inches. Okay? So my question to you is this: what is the volume of this cube? And boy, I'm going to underline the word cube. I want you to think about what you know about cubes, because I'm only going to give you one measurement of this cube with a side of 9 inches. Okay, we'll see you on Monday.